Hello, welcome to this channel. I am Uncle Mas and this is the Busy Brain channel. This is an introductory video of this channel. As the whole world is patiently waiting for problem solvers to solve problems of the world, like you know, we have so many problems to solve. They are the economic problem, the environmental problem, the health problem, the scientific problem, and lots more. Certain people have to take responsibilities to solve these problems. And to do this, they must pass through some systems. One of those systems they must pass through to be equipped to solve these problems is the educational system. The children of today are expected to solve the problems of tomorrow, if only they have equipped, given the tools and the equipment to do this. For them to be equipped, they must pass through the educational system. That is why as a children teacher for some time, I have tirelessly imparted knowledge on children in the classroom. So I have come up with this idea to impart knowledge to other children all over the world on this platform. Subjects expected in this channel, are subjects like English, mathematics, vocational aptitude, science, and lots more. And children expected to gain advantage of this channel are children in their ages 2 to 7. Children in their pre-nursery, their nursery, their pre-kindergarten, their kindergarten, their grades level 1 or 2 are expected to also gain advantage of this channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for you to get educative videos that will be coming your way. As a Christian, in 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 16, the B part says, "But we have the mind of Christ." Every child is expected to possess and display the mind of Christ. Christ is one that doesn't have a dull mind, doesn't have an average mind. He's always excellent in his thinking, excellent in his understanding, excellent in his wisdom. So children are expected to still possess the same mind. I urge you as a parent or a ward viewing this video to always place your hand on the forehead of your child and prophesy to your child. Say, "You have the mind of Christ, you have the mind of Christ, you have the mind of Christ." And in no time, they will see that child begin to display every qualities that Christ have. Like I said, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for you to get educative videos that are coming. We promise to always follow the scheme of the levels of the children said earlier on, for your child to be able to follow the things in the educational system. Please, thank you very much.